Hello everyone, today's lesson is learning about flirty English phrases. Let's go. You just made my day. You replied, you just made my day. I wasn't expecting someone this cute here. Wait, you're into this show too? I wasn't expecting someone this cute here. Stop being so adorable. I can't concentrate. This voice note, stop being so adorable. I can't concentrate. You have the kind of smile that makes people forget what they were saying. Seriously, your smile is dangerous. Are you always this charming or is it just today? Because wow, you're on fire. You make texting way more fun. I was bored, but now I'm kinda smiling like an idiot. I like your vibe, it's kinda addictive. You seem chill, confident. I like that. If I had a crush emoji, I'd send it now. Hard eyes won't do justice. Careful, I might fall for that sense of humor. You're dangerously funny. You're terrible, the good kind, and I like it. Can we pretend we know each other for years? It just feels natural. Let's play a game. First one to stop smiling loses. Spoiler, I'm already losing. You should come with a warning label. Too cute to handle. You texting me back this fast? I'm impressed. Most people make me wait. I'm trying not to smile, but you not helping. Stop being cute for a second. You're the reason my screen time is up. Worth it though. I sent a pickup line, but I think I just fell already. Smooth enough. This convo is dangerously fun. Let's keep it going. You have the kind of energy I want more of. Positive, chill, and totally my vibe. Just so you know, I'm smiling like an idiot right now. Thanks to you. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.